Ever wanted to level up your Node.js app with direct WhatsApp messaging capabilities powered by an industry leader? Let's dive into integrating Nexmo into your Node.js application to send WhatsApp messages programmatically first. You'll need to set up a Nexmo account and obtain your API credentials. This involves accessing your developer dashboard and locating your API key and secret. Next, you'll install the necessary Nexmo Node.js client library into your project. This is a straightforward process using your package manager. Now, within your Node.js application, you need to initialize the Nexmo client using your API credentials. Think of this as establishing a secure connection between your app and the Nexmo service. The core of sending a WhatsApp message involves constructing a specific API call. You'll need to specify the recipient's WhatsApp number, your Nexmo WhatsApp sender ID, and the message content itself. To ensure your message is correctly routed to WhatsApp, you'll use the dedicated WhatsApp messaging endpoint provided by Nexmo. This ensures your messages are delivered through the official WhatsApp Business API. Finally, you'll execute this API call from your Node.js script. Upon successful execution, your message will be sent to the specified WhatsApp number, opening up a powerful new communication channel for your application. Seamlessly integrate WhatsApp messaging into your Node.js applications with Nexmo.